Hi everyone, welcome to another video of Geeksbyte. In the previous video we have talked about the basics of tokens and variables. In this video we are going to deep dive into variables. Okay, so let's consider we have a table like this one, variable, value and memory address, and we have four variables having value as a is equal to 10, b is equal to 10.1, c is equal to Ravi and g is equal to true. So let's open the Python shell and try to create these variables. To create a variable, we uses this syntax. Identifier is equal to string literal, that is a is equal to 10. Similarly, b is equal to 10.1, c is equal to Ravi and d is equal to true. Now, since we know that Python is a dynamic type language, means you are not defining its type, but it internally uses the type method to fetch the variable type. So to fetch the type, we uses the type method, and type of A is int, type of B is float, type of C is str, and type of G is bool. So in this way, Python uses the dynamic type implementation. So the next concept is how they are stored in the memory. What is the memory location or the memory address of this variable? To fetch the memory address, we uses the id method. So what we will do is, we will first fetch the id of A, id of B and id of C, id of G. And let me complete this table. So from here I have filled the memory address of these variables. So you can see that all variables are stored at different memory locations, so they are unique. But let's consider another variable which is having the same value as A. It means 10. So consider E is equal to 10. Now what will be the id of this? E means id of A will be 1989440. That is same as what we have for A. So it will be stored at the same location where A is stored. So in this way we can say that A and E, those are variables, do not hold any value. The value is stored at this memory address, and these variables, that is identifiers, is just pointing to that memory address. So the next concept is, we have this memory address, and based on its type, it should have some memory allocated to it. To get the memory allocation of any variables, we can use the get size of the sys module. So first of all, to use any module, we have to import it. So we will say from sys import get size of, and we will say get size of A. So this A integer 10 is having 20. Similarly, if we will say what is the memory address by B, then it is saying it is 24. This string C is taking 53 and this D boolean value is taking 28 bytes. This is the cpython. Based on different standards of Python, they have different memory allocations, and based on that this size may change. And so in the next video we will learn about operators. So stay tuned, do not forget to like and subscribe, and if you have any doubt then please let me know in the comment section. Thank you for watching.